Good day, Dissensions. Good day, grade 10. Welcome to our week number 2, music, quarter number 1. We will continue discussing the 20th century music and its musical styles. Okay? So last meeting we discussed about the two movements of music and arts, okay, during the 20th century. So for our quad, let us have number 1, what is the music described as the music to impress? And what is the music described as the music from different moods? Number 1, your answer is Impressionism, and number 2 is Expressionism. Number 1 is the music that comes from impressing people, okay? And number 2, Expressionism. This is the music derived or described as the music comes from different moods and feelings. That is Expressionism. So if you have certain questions in Impressionism and Expressionism, you can direct message me on my Facebook account. Okay. So let us move on to the musical styles of 20th century music. Okay, so technically, okay, so we have two musical styles under the 20th century music. Okay, so to be exact, okay, under Expressionism, okay, style of music, okay, so electronic and chance music emerged. Okay, so all we know, okay, and we all know, okay, Expressionism is a style of music where composers seek to express emotional experiences like what they have experienced before. What are those things that that they gone through? Okay, so for this lesson, we will discuss several music styles that developed in the modern era. So new inventions and discoveries of science and technology led to continuing developments in the field of music. So later on, you will listen to or watch two different, not just different, but unique and unusual style of music. Okay, so technology in music is actually a game changer. Okay, so in music, so during the 19th century and earlier years of musical development, so we are using different musical instruments. Okay? But nowadays, ngayon sa panahon ngayon, we used to have different techniques on producing sound. Okay, not just like hindi tayo makakapag-produce ng music out of something else, or hindi tayo makakapag-produce ng music kung hindi tayo magtutugtog ng musical instrument. So nowadays, hindi na applicable yon kasi marami ng paraan. Okay? So it has produced electronic music devices such as cassette tapes or tape recorders, compact disc, VCD, DVD, MP3, MP4, digital music players, and even your smartphone na napaka-useful, and karaoke players and synthesizers. Okay, so yung mga yan ay great innovations, okay, as technology applied into modern music. So these devices are used for creating and recording music, to add to or to replace acoustical sounds. Okay, so gaya nung sinabi ni Sir kanina, yung paggamit ng musical instrument nowadays ay parang hindi na masyadong big deal. Okay, kung magre-record kayo ng sound or gagawa kayo ng isang certain music composition. Okay? Okay, so let us discuss now what is electronic music. So, ano ba yung electronic music? Okay, so napakadali. Okay. As simple as electronic music is that music, okay, that employs electronic musical instruments. Okay, so digital instruments or circuitry-based music technology in its creation. So, meaning to say, paggamit ng digital or electronic devices, gadgets that can produce sound and you record it by electronic or electronic gadget magamit ng enerhiya ng electricity. So that is electronic music already. Okay? So pwedeng electric guitar, synthesizers, amplifiers, pianos, etc. Okay. So, sabi nga ni Sir kanina, okay, music or electronic music is using electronic gadgets. Okay, to be specific, okay, pag gumamit tayo ng recording device or recording an electronic music, okay, so tinatawag natin siya as music concrete or concrete music. So, music that is recorded by any means. Okay? So, by any means of recording devices. Okay, so pwedeng yung cellphone ninyo, pwedeng yung camera. Okay? So, merong iba't ibang paraan ng pag-capture ng sound. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin capturing or recording, that is music concrete or concrete music. Okay? So let us now have our composers. Okay? So let us have first Edgard Varese. Okay? So he was born December 22, 1883. And his musical compositions are characterized by an emphasis on timbre or rhythm and organized sound. So certain timbres and rhythms can be grouped together in order to capture a new or whole new definition of sound. So ibig sabihin nag co-compose or organize si Edgard Varese of different structured sound, okay, from different electronic means of making a sound, okay. Then he grouped it, okay, in a manner na pwede siyang maging sound, pwede siyang maging music, pwede siyang maging or even noise, okay? So, pwede siyang maging charactered as a noise, okay? So, Varese used of new instruments and electronic resources made him the father of electronic music, and he was also dubbed as stratospheric colossus of sound. Okay, so yung paggamit niya daw ng electronic resources in his compositions made him, okay, the father of electronic music. Okay, so he died on November 6, 1965. So let us now listen to Edgar Varese's poeme, included on your module. So if you answered this already, so thank you and God bless. Okay, so can you guess the materials used to create the different types of noise used in the piece? So name at least five. Then how does the piece affect your current mood or emotion? Describe. Okay, so you can pause this video to answer this, and we will move on to the next composer. Okay, so we will have Karl-Heinz Stockhausen. Okay, so he was born in Germany, Cologne, Germany. So he had the opportunity to work with Schoenberg. Okay, so the expressionist uh, composer that we discussed last week. Okay, so he continued to experiment with music concrete. So he's on experimenting with recording different sounds, or it can be noise. Okay, so then Stockhausen's works total around 31. Okay, so here is one. So try to listen to study 2. Okay. Okay, so after listening to study 2, okay, so answer the following questions and write your answers in any sheet of paper. Again, this is included in your module. Okay, so where do you imagine yourself to be in while listening to the music, and why? Then question number 2, what makes this track distinct from other musical excerpts which you have heard so far? So again, answer these questions, okay? And pause this video and we will proceed to the next musical style. Okay, so the next musical style is chance music. So before we discussed electronic music, so we use electronic gadgets in creating certain music. So here in chance music, so also known as aleatoric music, refers to a style which the piece always sounds differently at every performance. Okay? So because of the random techniques of production, including the use of ring modulators or natural elements that become a part of the music. So most of the sounds emanate from the surroundings, both natural and man-made, such as honking cars, rustling leaves, blowing wind, dripping water, or a ringing phone. So later, I will give you an example of this chance music performance. But from this definition, so pag sinabi nating chance, okay, so it is very unique. Okay? So pag sinabi nating unique, so once in a lifetime or once in a um, once in a blue moon, I think. Okay, so ang production nitong chance music. So the piece always sounds differently at every performance. Okay, so ibig sabihin, hindi katulad na recorded, pag ni-record mo, um, pwede mo na siyang paulit-ulitin, okay? And you can create another set of sounds na kasing tunog nila, okay? If you use electronic devices, okay, such as electronic guitars, okay? So yung mga sound producing instruments natin na electronic, okay? So hindi siya katulad nun, okay? So itong chance music, kung ano yung napakinggan mo for the first time, okay? Hindi mo na siya ulit maririnig, okay? Or the second time na ipe-perform yun, okay? So meron tayong composer in the name of John Cage. Okay, so was known as one of the 20th century composers with the broadest array of sound in his works. So he was born on Los Angeles, California on September 5, 1912 and became one of the most original composers in the history of Western music. He became notable of his works, the 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay, so a chance music work that instructed the pianist to merely open the piano lid and remain silent for the length of time indicated on the title. So, ang ginawa dito ni John Cage as a chance music composer, okay, so ang ginawa niya, okay, so sabi niya dun sa pianist, okay, so yung kinompose niya daw na na music is pinag-isipan niya ng 5 years. Okay. So, at yung pinag-isipan niya ng 5 years na yon is, ang ginawa niya lang is, pinabuksan yung piano. Okay, then, nag-antay lang ng 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Then, that's it. The performance. Okay, ayun lang. Hindi siya tumugtog ng kahit ano. Okay? So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin nun, the sounds around, okay, the whole, or sa performance whole, ayun ang nagsilbing chance music or the music na na-produce, okay? During that 433 time period, okay? So, maraming gumayang artist ng 433, okay? Mga rock stars, mga balladeers, etc. So, walang naging kasing parehas siya kasi sabi nga natin sa Chance Music, okay, so if you perform it the second time, it will not be the same as the first time. Okay? So, that is Chance Music. Okay? So, napaka-weird, ano? Okay? So let us now have this excerpt. Okay? The Water Walk. Again, kaya hindi ko na ilagay yung 433. It is because wala siyang wala siyang wala siyang exact footage or exact sound clip, okay, na na-generate, okay, because that is once in a lifetime nga. So ito naman, Water Walk, okay, so naging popular si John Cage dito, okay, because of this Water Walk. Okay, so let's watch and listen.
Water Walk because it contains water and because I walked during its performance.
That figures, doesn't it?
So, ayan si John Cage.
Two things I want you to notice. Over here, Mr. Cage has a tape recording machine, which will provide much of the... Will you touch the machine so we can know where it is? Which will provide much of the background. Also, he works with a stopwatch. The reason that he does this is because these sounds are in no sense accidental in their sequence. They each must fall mathematically at a precise point. So he watches his watch as he works. He takes it seriously. I think it's interesting. If you are amused, you may laugh. If you like it, you may buy the recording. John Cage and Water Walk.
Okay, so that is a piano. Pero may ginawa siyang something na may pinatong siyang something. Ano yun? Isda? The steam? Steam ng kaldero? Kasirola? Okay. Paglalagay or sound ng paglalagay ng yelo sa baso? Pagkadlo ng tubig? Those are different types of sound. The rubber ducky. And even the laughter of the audiences. Kasama yan. Okay, so sa Chance Music. And the steam. Parang pressure cooker siya, no? Oh, the pouring of wine. Sound nun. Okay, kasama rin siya. Blender. Yung pag-open ng piano. Pag-tap sa mga different objects. Okay, so bakit ba siya laging natingin sa timer? Okay, so sabi nga nung announcer natin kanina, um, he is trying to record all the sounds, okay, that he will perform. Okay, so lahat nung sound na na-generate dun is actually recorded, okay? So, tinitingnan ni, John Cage, okay, kung kaya ba niyang, ma-replicate o yung magge-generate siya ng sound by means of recording. So, gumawa na siya dun ng music concrete, okay? So, out of, chance music, puwede tayong makagawa ng music concrete, okay? So, ayun ang ginawa ni John Cage. Okay, so after listening and watching, so ano ba yung masasabi ninyo? What characteristics of chance music can be derived from the video clip? Then aside from the objects used in the video, what other objects can you use to create sounds which are similar to the piece? Okay, so again, ito ay included sa inyong module. If you answered this already, so very good. Okay, so you can pause this video while answering. Again, a short recap of electronic and chance music. So electronic and chance music are musical styles considered as expressionism. Okay, so nakita nyo naman doon sa musical samples natin na out of their curiosity and their mood, okay, so they can easily create and devise new sounds. Okay, it can be electronically or by chance. Okay, so electronic music is a sound or music that can be acquired by means of recording or production of any electronic or electric devices or instruments. Okay, so pag sinabi natin electronic, gumamit ka ng electronic device, that is electronic music already. And the chance music, okay, sound music that can be produced by chance, man-made or natural sound can be considered as chance music. Okay, so pwedeng man-made, okay, so pwede ring electric music yan. Okay, so one great example of electronic music nowadays is your cellphone. Okay, so sa cellphone ninyo, okay, so we have different applications, okay, na pwede makapag-produce ng sound. Okay, so ano nga ulit yun? Okay, so we have here groove pad like this. Okay, so itong groove pad na to, you can get different patterns of music, okay, na pwede ninyong i-record siya, okay, para maging kopya ninyo, okay. So just like here, okay, so ito yung mukhang interface niya, okay, so pwede nyo siyang pindutin as kung ano yung beat na nandito, just like here, guitar. Okay, so meron na siyang sariling music na generate, okay, from your device. So this is actually a beat from guitar. Okay, so since gumamit tayo ng electric device, so this is an electric device. Okay, so electronic music na agad. Okay, so pwede na natin pagpatong-patungin or i-mix, okay, yung mga different sounds, just like the organ and the guitar. Then may bass. Then may lead guitar. Okay, so pwede nyo gamitin ito. Then may beat. Yeah. Okay, so this is considered as electronic music already. So by chance, yung mga chance music naman natin, yung mga falling objects, kahit yung electric fan natin, yung tunog ng electric fan, it can never be the same kung hindi natin may re-record siya. Okay, so if you will perform again, okay, so those kind of acts, okay, you sip it, okay, pagka nagpatak, okay, that is a sound. It can be a chance music or chance sound. Okay? So, I hope meron kayong natutunan for today. And thank you. That's all for today. And God bless. Bye. Thank you and see you again next week. Kita-kits tayo sa arts. Bye.